Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating and sacred kitchen of Lord Jagannath Temple in Puri. We will delve into its unique features, the cooking process, and the do's and don'ts associated with it. Plus, we'll reveal some interesting facts and the specific ingredients used. So, let's get started. The kitchen of Lord Jagannath Temple, also known as the Rosha Ghara, is one of the largest kitchens in the world. This ancient kitchen has been in operation for centuries, serving the divine offerings to Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra. Let's take a closer look at its unique features. 1. Unique cooking methods. The kitchen employs traditional cooking methods using earthen pots and wood-fired stoves. Over 500 cooks, known as swaras, prepare more than 56 types of dishes daily, known as Mohaprasad. The food is cooked in a unique manner where pots are stacked on top of each other, and surprisingly, the topmost pot cooks first. The kitchen can prepare food for over 100,000 people in a single day during festivals and special occasion. 2. Ingredients and vegetables. Only specific ingredients are used, such as rice, the staple for most offerings, often of high quality. Lentils, different types like moong dal, chana dal, and tur dal. Ghee, clarified butter used extensively for its purity and rich taste. Spices, cumin, mustard seeds, turmeric, asafoetida, fenugreek seeds, fennel, and more, all used to add flavor while maintaining sanctity. Vegetables, seasonal and locally sourced, including pumpkin, sweet potato, brinjal, eggplant, drumsticks, and leafy greens like spinach and amaranth. Fruits, bananas, coconuts, mangoes, and other seasonal fruits. Ingredients avoided, no onion, garlic, or non-vegetarian items are used, as these are considered impure for temple offerings. 3. Cooking methodology. Preparation. The day starts early with the swaras performing rituals and purification before entering the kitchen. Ingredients are carefully selected, cleaned, and prepped according to traditional methods. Cooking process. The cooking is done in earthen pots over wood-fired stoves. This not only enhances the flavor but also maintains the sanctity of the food. Pots are stacked in tiers, with larger pots at the bottom and smaller ones at the top. This unique arrangement allows the steam to pass through and cook the food evenly. Surprisingly, the topmost pot cooks first due to the way steam and heat circulate from the bottom up. The heat from the bottom pot creates steam, which rises and cooks the upper pots first. This method ensures efficient cooking without burning the food at the bottom. 4. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Maintain utmost cleanliness and purity while preparing and handling the food. Use only specific ingredients approved for the Mohaprasad. Follow the traditional recipes and methods passed down through generations. Respect the sanctity of the kitchen and follow the rules set by the temple authorities. Don'ts. Do not use modern cooking appliances or methods inside the temple kitchen. Do not taste the food while it is being prepared, as it is considered offering to the deities. Do not enter the kitchen if you are not authorized or if you have not observed the necessary purification rituals. Avoid wasting any food, as Mohaprasad is considered sacred and is distributed among devotees. 5. Interesting facts. The Mohaprasad is offered to Lord Jagannath first, then to Goddess Bimala, before being distributed to devotees, a unique practice symbolizing the significance of the offering. The kitchen operates in a seamless manner, with various sections designated for specific types of cooking, ensuring efficiency and purity. The food never goes stale, even after hours, due to the divine blessings believed to be bestowed upon it. The process of preparing Mohaprasad is considered so sacred that it is believed to purify the soul of anyone involved in its preparation. 6. Significance of Mohaprasad. Mohaprasad is not just food, it is a divine offering that carries spiritual significance. It is believed that partaking in Mohaprasad brings blessings and spiritual merit. The distribution of Mohaprasad to devotees promotes a sense of community and devotion. The kitchen of Lord Jagannath Temple is not just a place of culinary activity but a sacred space where devotion and tradition come together. The do's and don'ts associated with it ensure that the sanctity and purity of the offerings are maintained, making it a unique and revered practice. That was a glimpse into the sacred kitchen of Lord Jagannath Temple, Puri. We hope you found this information insightful and fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Do let us know in the comments section if you want to learn more about other aspects of this magnificent temple or any other topic. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with another intriguing story. Till then, take care and stay blessed.